Welcome guys back to my episode of We Surviving. I ended off the episode where I had full iron armor, as you guys can see that. Now I did say we needed to build a farm, which is going to take a long time, and I don't know where to build the farm. How about over there? And build my farm over there. That seems right place. Let me see, what can I do? I need some. What do I need to build this farm? What do I need? I need what? Fences. These. Let me see. I can find these potatoes for the seeds. Let me see what else I need another flower for different thing, but how can I try to do it? Let me quick see. I need to draw more fences also. I also need like a stick. I don't think I'm not turning everything into wood. I don't think. Okay. Let me see. How much do I need to make of this stuff? Just like a stick. Yep, that's enough. And I should make So guys, I'm about to build my farm. Let's see how I decide to build it over there. Let's mine out this area. Oh, there's a police what I found. Yeah, I think it's this. I don't. Oh wait, it is a police what I found. Let me just remove some of this stuff. I already need to. Okay, this is a perfect spot. Was it? It must be 4 blocks. Four. Guys, I'm just pause now so I can show you guys how does it look. Okay guys, I brought down the farm. So what I might need to do is build a place for those villagers. Build a box, you see. I need to build a box and where I can put them. I don't think there's so many left. Where I can put all the villagers in to try to get diamond armor. That's the best way. So first I need to look for cave and go mine. I remember there was one nearby. Yes, there's it. And I needed a lot of blocks to bullets. So if it's not nearby, as you guys can see, it's over there. I'm a little bit worried about entering this cave. Hold on. I'm stay in this. Yes, this iron here. But we need this 10 iron. Let me see. 7 I need. There must be more iron nearby. Oh, I got a carrot. Guys, I'm a so guys, I was able to get 10 iron in total. That's what all I needed, and a carrot. And I made it farm done guys. So I needed to craft me. I need some stone. And I ran out of okay, let me see, where's the mining place of mine? There was a 3-bow spawn here. Let me see which can I fix this thing. Is this enough? Please. Yes, it's enough. Let me fix this. How did the one log still drop? Is there a missing place or something? Whatever. Do I have some dirt to fix this? Whatever, I'm gonna leave it for later. I'm gonna fix it later. There's a mining place of mine. It was somewhere nearby. Oh, there's it. I was so blind I didn't see it. I thought it was just mine here for iron, but that was the fastest way to get iron. Come on. I might need overstep. But I'll soon do it. Oh, it's not really out for the trade. So I'm gonna mine this out. What the? Okay, mate. How long is this not take? Guys, I was able to do a good mission of getting stone, but I still oh yeah, I forgot to go around the stuff. So I already need to put the stuff random to make it. Need to put the stuff random. While the stone is, I'm gonna put it. Oh, then I should wait. It's not gonna take that long. Not really inventory so long. What can I put here? Intake this, and this, and this. Hold on, I found it. Where's it attitude? I saw it more. And I have more letters. How much? Where is it? I see it. Wait, I have 23 rotten points. And I'm finished getting, that's all the stuff I need. And put it there. Now I can go. So I still need to fix this. I'm still angry about the creeper. So I'm gonna take this. Okay. I swear the carrot. Oh yeah, that's it. Okay. How must I do this? Come on, get to start. You guys think this is a big enough farm? I'm soon upgrade it into the YouTubers farm, because when Minecraft YouTubers, they bought redstone stuff in good farms. Let me do this from over. What the? Got liver. Oh, the creeper doesn't come here. And I forgot to hold this. Where is the creeper? I swear. You have me creeper. I'm so angry about the creeper. Is it Enderman? I don't see it, but I keep on hearing this noise. Guys, I finished my farm. I know you can't see nothing, but I saw it. I placed some seeds and potatoes in my bone meal, the carrots. But so now guys, we need to go to the village. I saw I got some stone in my inventory. 2 furnaces. I forgot to, and I'm an idiot. I forgot to melt the stone. Looks like I need to. So I'm probably pause right now and wait for the iron. As I said, I placed seeds over there. But it's gonna be soon a big farm. Guys, I know the place where the villagers can be, and I'm about to go get them so I can have a fight. So you see, so then I can just start picks to get emeralds and get bread and breed them more. So I might need to river for that. Oh, there's no down here. I don't know if I can do the spark. Oh, I'm gonna do it. I'm bad. Nah, I'm bad. I'm bad in parkour. I don't want to do nothing. I forgot. Oh yeah, for one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. When I get to 6, 7 in the comments, guys. Oh, come on. Those are the mice so I can mice. I just need to put one tiny off. Hold on, I have to. Oh, I like this sauce, but I can't get it. Let me see. Let me craft it. Come on. I get to make a cow farm. Wait, what? Oh, guys, so I'm back. I'm just the space village is not going to wait so for me, so I can throw it sticks with him. I need to give another. What can I do to earn emeralds? Let me see. Guys, I found the igloo. This is a third finding my igloo in Minecraft. So yeah. Okay, guys, I'm back from the igloo. I didn't do the stuff. Let me see. What can I try? What can I put in this? I got a red bit. It looks nice, so I'm going to just video. Okay, it's not a red bit. How can I put it? So there's a farm. It's not very good. Let me see if I can. Let me see. Yeah, this guy. He took my bed. Why can't I sleep? Finally. second with him. 27 points. Only 3. Let me see. Yep. So I wanted to do something. Let me see. I needed to do something. Guys, I have some news for you guys. My friend, what I told you guys on episode 1 about me being racist, they always say I'm racist. But I'm telling you guys that one of my friends, his name is Deadly. He's not about, he's not doing my game. So, my server actually is not on my server. Let me put _. But what is it? And he's holding, guys, as you can see. But guys, I'm gonna end the episode right here because it's already 22 minutes. So like and subscribe, please, guys. I wanna go to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.